sad songs because I listen to him too. Like sad heartbreak songs. That time I'll be in a proper relationships. Proper. I'm not heartbroken yet. Yo, but I'll be crying to those songs. Oh guys, I love sad songs, yo. What's that song? You know that song, when I searched it, they said it talked about suicide because when I watched the music video, that's what it talks about, suicide. But when I listened to it, I thought it was talking about heartbreak, like breakup.
Yeah,
you know
suicide.
It, right?
I think I know it.
Oh, when you're in this house, you forget music.
Why you back to Ashay?
So
Ashay, where's then Ashay? Sorry, Ashay. That's one of my favorite artists is Billie Eilish. I love her so much.
Yeah, I like her music too, but some of them. I don't know what's the other song. There's a song that I like of hers. Kind of what does it say?
Oh, okay. I remember the Strangers songs. It's from Strangers to Friends.